Hello guys, Harley here, 77 Cycles. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about what we mean when we shim third and why. Okay, so I think I've got the camera set up enough to where you can see. This here is third gear. Okay, now watch this gear. Look at all that slop that it's got. Okay, now what we do is we shim this gear to keep it pulled this way, okay? Because what's happening is you got this slider here. It's going, your shift fork rides in here, and that's what's going to pull over and engage into third gear. Okay, well, what's happening is that's trying to come over. It's wanting to get in, and this gear is going back, okay? And then it's rounding the dogs and everything else. And I don't know if you can tell in here, but this side of this slider here is just toasted. The dogs are completely wore. I mean, bad. They're rounded bad. It's hard to see in the video as I'm looking at it, but they are not looking good. It actually, as it was trying to engage, it was having a hell of a time, rounded and sorts. It caused a lot of heat as well from that rubbing up while trying to engage. And toasted this. I'd imagine, I don't have the shift fork in front of me. This is how we received this from one of our customers to do our rebuild service and back cut service. He's getting our billet trapdoor as well with the 28% larger trapdoor bearings. But this is what we mean when we shim third gear. We are taking this slop out. But anyways, guys, if you guys got any questions, this here, we got bags and bags of shims. Each transmission is different. But anyways, like I said, if you guys got any questions at all, feel free to message us on Facebook, Instagram. Instagram, we are 77_cycles. Facebook's just normally 77 cycles. You can look us up online, www.77cycles.com, or email us, harley.77cycles@yahoo.com, or our phone number is 217-682-3257. We are here to help. Call us anytime. Thank you guys.